Okay, it's recording. What's up guys, Ryan here, and I know this video is not a normal video of mine. I'm not sure how this channel is going to turn out yet, but I did have a very exciting piece of news and I just figured I'll film it. I wanted to share it with you guys. Believe it or not, I'm pretty into credit cards. I know this isn't exactly a credit card channel and there's other great people out there already like Ask Sebi, Credit Shifu, Brian Jung, but I wanted to talk about a credit card that I just got in the mail today. So as you can see, I have this envelope by American Express. I saw other people make unboxing videos about this card already, and when I saw them make their videos, this card came in a cardboard box, except it looks like my card came in an envelope. So I'm not sure why Amex decided to change up their packaging, but I don't really care. It's the card inside that matters. And another interesting thing is this envelope came unsealed. Like, this was completely open and there was no moisture put on the seal part, so it like all the stuff could have just fallen out. It was just already open. So I don't know, Amex, if you're watching this, maybe you want to watch out for stuff like this. All right guys, let the unboxing begin. Again, we have our envelope here, and like I showed you earlier, this was already open. It wasn't even sealed when they mailed it to me. So it was very easy for me to take out my stuff, blur out my sensitive information, which is just my name and my address, which I guess I don't really even care, but let's get going. So let's move this envelope to the side and I will show you exactly which card I got. And it is it is the American Express Delta SkyMiles Platinum credit card. And this card just went through a relaunch or a revamp. It is a $250 annual fee and comes with a load of benefits. Very cool, very nice. Oh my goodness, this is a metal card. We like our metal cards, and here it is. Look how shiny. I have another credit card that might be comparable. That is the Chase Sapphire Reserve. It is another metal card, except the American Express one is heavier and I think it's a little thicker. It's definitely a little nicer in my opinion. I kind of like the silver color more than this black color. And I decided to get it because I will be downgrading the Sapphire Reserve because I don't want to pay the $550 annual fee. So I'm just going to use up the $60 DoorDash credit and then downgrade this to a secondary Freedom Unlimited card. All right guys, so we got our American Express Delta Platinum card here. It is a $250 annual fee card, but the benefits that it comes with, in my opinion, will end up giving me more value than the annual fee. This is a revamped or a new card right now, and so they have a special sign-up bonus going on where if you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months of having the card, you can get 80,000 Delta points, which is essentially valued at 1.2 cents per point. And every year of renewing the card, they will give you 20,000 points, which is essentially a little bit more than $200 worth of miles that you can use towards Delta purchases. So essentially after about a year of having the card, you can get that 100,000 mile total amount of points that they advertise in their marketing. But the 20,000 points is not until after you renew the card, and you won't actually get it until around 8 to 12 weeks after renewing the card. So it'll be like a year and 8 to 12 weeks to actually get the full 100,000 miles. The other major benefit that this card has, which is actually the main reason why I got this card, is it comes with an annual one-time use companion certificate for any domestic main cabin Delta flight. So this card actually works out great if you have a player 2. All you need to do is just buy one Delta ticket, sign them up, and you have a second flight for free, and that pretty much covers your annual fee, in my opinion. It makes it worth it. So that is really the main reason why I got this card. It's going to be a keeper card. just because you can really benefit by having a player too. In terms of the multipliers that this card comes with, it comes with 3x points on Delta purchases, 3x points on hotels or hotel bookings directly with the hotel, 2x points for purchases made at restaurants and at supermarkets, and 1x points on every other purchase. Another benefit that this card has is status, and so you can earn 10,000 MQM points after spending $25,000 on the card, and you can do that twice per year. And MQMs are different than actual Delta miles, so you can't really use those MQMs for flight purchases. It just counts towards status. I'm not going to bother talking about that because I don't think someone's going to be spending $50,000 on this card in 1 year. So if you're curious, just check the description. I'll put it down in the description below. Another benefit that this card has is if you pay with points, you get a slight fare reduction for Delta purchases. You get 20% back on in-flight Delta purchases. You get a $100 credit towards TSA PreCheck or Global Entry, one of the two. You also get a discounted rate on the Delta Sky Club Access Lounge for $39. Which seems to be pretty good. I mean, you go in there, chill, get some food, get some drinks. You know, you're probably gonna spend about that much outside of the airport if you're actually gonna eat something, so it seems to be okay to me. You have an MQD waiver. Again, that's for the MQM points. I'm not gonna talk about that. It's gonna be in the description. And there's no foreign transaction fees. So yeah, that's pretty much all the benefits right there. And this is going to be my new pretty much everyday card for a little while. It's just gonna be a replacement for the Chase Sapphire Reserve card because I'm gonna be downgrading this to the Freedom Unlimited card, just because I don't want to pay the $550 annual fee, and for me that's going to be coming up this September. So I'm just going to blow all the points on this first. I plan on using it for the 1.5 times redemption on the Ultimate Rewards site that Chase has, and I'm just going to use up that free $60 DoorDash credit that the Chase Sapphire Reserve has, and then downgrade this card just because I don't want to pay that fee. And this is going to be that replacement. In the meantime, it's not really a replacement. It's just going to kind of be a sock drawer card, to be honest. So I could use that companion pass. That's, to me, where the real value here is. And that sign-up bonus is going to be pretty nice, too. So anyway, that is my little credit card review unboxing video for the Delta Platinum card. I hope you guys liked it. I know this is not what I normally do, but it's just something I want to do because why not? I'm sure at least somebody will find a use for this. Again, if any of you are interested in applying for this card, I will provide a link in the description below. Again, that is an affiliate link, and anything generated from that is going to go out to help this channel out. Sharing more about myself and things that I like and things that I find useful with you guys. I already have 2 other YouTube channels that I take care of. One is yo-yo tutorials, one is Japanese tutorials. So if you're interested in learning any of those, I have channels for that. You can check that out as well. I'll probably put links in the description for that as well. One last look. This is the American Express Delta SkyMiles Platinum card. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.